Well, good morning, YouTube, you sexy sons of bitches. No, not mamma jammas today. Everybody's a sons of bitch. I get up at 6:15, do my pre-trip. I notice that my sidewall of my trailer tire number 3 is just gone. I remember looking at this tire yesterday during pre-trip, thinking to myself, that outer edge is starting to rub it. Get a little smooth, so I may want to look at that eventually at some point. Because the 4 tread tires in the center was fine. The tread lines were fine. Just the edge was a little rough or a little smooth. Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. So I did pre-trip this morning, and that was the same damn tire. I said that to myself yesterday, that missing the sidewall. So I had a blowout yesterday somewhere. I didn't do post-trip. I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't do post-trip last night because I was tired when I parked. I edited, went to bed. But I always, 100% of the time, do a pre-trip. Always. And that's why. So this shop opened. Luckily I was parked right across from the Southern Tire Mart at this Flying J in St. Augustine, Florida. They opened at 6. I got in there, 6:30, 6:40. Checked in. I didn't get into the bay until like 10:20. 25 minutes ago. It's 10:45 right now. So I had to wait nearly 4 hours. I could have been whatever. It is what it is. So I just went back on a sleeper, dozed back off until they called me, and here I am. Well, actually, I was awake when they called me. I was just sitting there scrolling on TikTok, but I got a couple more hours sleep, which isn't the end of the world. But I did contact my agent saying to let them know what happened and what's going on, and said I checked the facility. The place says they're 24 hours, so I'll just show up when I get there. Although I'm not sure what time it's going to be. And he's like, okay, I'll let my guy know, and not sure if we have to reschedule or not. But I was like, oh, well, okay, well, you do you, and I'm just going to head that way until you tell me otherwise once they're finished here. So he's putting the new tire, the tires back together, so hopefully I'll be out of here in the next few minutes, and we can get them down the way. So game day in Miami. My buddy, he's 40 miles from Fort Lauderdale. I asked him how traffic's been. He's like, it's been cool, but I've got to go right past the stadium to where I got to go. So we shall see. Anyway, appreciate y'all being here. Part of trucking. Shit happens. And yeah. Let's see what the rest of the trucking world has in store for us today, shall we?
Crack a monster, greet the sun. Big blues humming, ready to run. No stacks, no shine, just steady and true. Rolling proud in that deep blue hue. Daylight miles, the highway calls. I was born to chase it all. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue hums and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. 2024 built to last. Smooth and clean, he's built for fast. Hands on the wheel, I hold it tight. No scars, just skill, it's a driver's right. Hammer down, let the engine sing. Hear that road beneath me ring. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue hums and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. 2024 built to last. Smooth and clean, he's built for fast. Hands on the wheel, I hold it tight. No scars, just skill, it's a driver's right. Hammer down, let the engine sing. Hear that road beneath me ring. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue horns and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. Sunrise with you, that's my life. No shadow roads, just the sun and this heavy load. Every mile is fresh and new, me and Big Blue pushing through. Sunrise and steel, that's my life. That's my life.
Big cinematic guitar solo, engine hum fades under open blue sky.
Message from agent. They reset for 11 a.m. tomorrow on 120. But I don't care if you try, by all means. Thought about it for a minute. My response was, I guess I'm going to have to accept that 11 o'clock for tomorrow. I would try today, but since they said it that way, and the national championship game is taking place in Miami, and I have to pass that stadium to get to where I got to go, and there are no truck stops in Miami in case I say no. LOL, I know that's a lot, but okay, I will deliver tomorrow at 11 a.m. Thanks, buddy. He replied back, all right, bud, sounds good. So now I'm 80 miles away in Mims, Florida, as this loves. Debating if I want to try to go closer or just do it in the morning.